Here's how to install a pop-up or sticky bar on a page in Unbounce. In your Unbounce account, look at the menu on the left side of your dashboard. Click Pop-ups and Sticky Bars. This will take you to the page where all of your existing pop-ups and sticky bars are listed. If you already have one, you'll see it listed here. If not, click Create New to make a new pop-up or sticky bar. You'll be redirected to a builder where you can design it, just like how you build a landing page. Once you're done creating, it will appear in your list. To install it, click on your pop-up or sticky bar to open its overview page. Scroll down until you find the installation section. Here, you'll see your embed code. Click Copy to copy that code. Before continuing, make sure to publish your pop-up or sticky bar by clicking Publish on the top right corner. Now, return to All Pages and click on the landing page where you want your pop-up or sticky bar to appear. Then click Edit to open it in the Classic Unbounce Builder. Inside the Classic Builder, look at the bottom panel and click the JavaScript tab. Then click Add New JavaScript. Paste the code you copied earlier into the script box. Name your script, for example, Popup embed code. For the placement, set this to head, not before body end tag. Click Done when finished. After adding your pop-up script, click Save and then republish your landing page. Open your published landing page in a new browser tab. Wait for it to load. Your pop-up or sticky bar should now appear as configured. And that's how to install a pop-up or sticky bar on a page in Unbounce.